Ever feel like your iPhone is always listening? Let's take control and quickly turn off that microphone. First, let's navigate to your iPhone's settings app. It's usually represented by a gray gear icon, so go ahead and tap on that. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the privacy option. It's typically near the bottom. Look for the hand icon, tap on privacy. Now you'll see a list of different permissions your apps can request. Find and tap on microphone. This is where you can manage which apps have access to your microphone. You'll see a list of all apps that have requested microphone access. To turn off microphone access for a specific app, simply toggle the switch next to the app's name. When the switch is grayed out, the app no longer has microphone access. To completely disable the microphone for all apps, you would need to individually turn off the toggle for each one listed. Keep in mind that some apps may not function correctly without microphone access. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the microphone on your iPhone. This is a great way to enhance your privacy and troubleshoot any microphone-related issues. Now you can breathe easy knowing you're in control of your iPhone's microphone. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and helpful iPhone tips.